Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonaventure. Today I'll be discussing about my group's business project and the 9 BMC or business management canvas of our project. Before that, I would like to introduce the members of the Spotweld metal fabrication company, which is a manufacturing company. First and foremost, I am Jasper Denjas, acting as the project manager of this company. Next, the financial manager of the company is Zara Muhammad. After that, the marketing manager of the company are Nurul Anira binti Matni and Amira Shakira binti Shuhaimi. Then we have Muhammad Yusri bin Matsarujin acting as the design and planning manager. Last and not least, we have the two employees, which are Muhammad Rizal bin Abdullah Saleh and Muhammad Azwan bin Jimal. Now, let's take a closer look at the responsibility of each members. The project manager is an essential part of the company as they will be responsible for planning, overseeing and leading the project from ideation to completion. So, the project manager acts as the leader of the project and they will be involved in every stage of the project. The financial manager is significant to the company as they will be involved in distributing the financial resources, planning the budget, as well as offering financial advices to the project manager. Apart from that, the financial manager is responsible of handling the income of the company and distribute it when it is needed for the project. Lastly, they are required to document all the purchase detail of the product. The marketing manager are responsible to manage the promotion and positioning of the product. In addition, they are required to create advertisement and distribute it to the public in order to attract potential customers. Moreover, they are also responsible to answer inquiries that the customer have about the products, as they will be frequently communicating with the customer through social media. The design and planning manager are crucial for the early stage of the project as they will make or analyze the design of the products and make adjustments to the product to ensure minimal flaws. Plus, they are also responsible to provide details of the specification and requirements of the products. The employees are an integral part of the company as they are responsible for the construction of products. After that, they are required to deliver the products to the customers. Next, we will take a look at the 9 business management canvas or the 9 BMC of the project. We will start off with the value proposition area. In our company, we are able to construct high quality products according to the customer's requirement and specification. This allows them to design a product on their own or pick a product created from the company. So, the customer are able to customize the product before being constructed. For instance, our company can construct products such as flower racks, furniture, and decoration. Now, we'll go into the customer segments. The company is mainly based on Beaufort, Sabah. Therefore, the targeted customer for our company is mainly people in Beaufort that are interested with our products. The main customer archetype are often gardeners or people that take up gardening as their hobby. This is due to the fact that the recent pandemic shows an increase of the people choosing gardening as their hobby. Next, we'll take a look at the marketing channels. We'll fully utilize the usage of social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. The way we use the social media platform in our arsenal is by posting advertisements of the product as well as images and design of different products frequently so that a lot of people are exposed to our company. In addition, we are also able to spread awareness of our company in the social media through reposting from our past customers. This way of marketing does not cost much as the social media application that we use are free. Let's take a look at the customer relationships. The customer relationship in our company are mainly automated customer relationship, where individual characteristics of the customer are recognized and information about the orders are offered to them. Apart from that, we are also creating a co-creation relationship whereby the customers are able to give feedback through social media platforms. Now, we'll go to the key partners area. The company is a self-standing company and does not have a definite key partners. However, we are able to purchase raw materials such as metals from the suppliers such as Sri Luangan Hardware and Syarikat Yong Hardware. Plus, the customer also act as a key partners as they will be able to further promote our company in the social media platform through reposting of our products. We are going to the key activities now. The key activities of this project are marketing, designing, construction of product, and product delivery. The construction of product consists of purchasing raw materials, creating the product, and decorating the product. After that, the delivery service is also available for the customer. The revenue stream comes from the customer purchasing the product, where the payment can be done through online payment. The key resources that we require are raw material as well as employees. The raw materials are distributed by Sri Luangan Hardware and Syarikat Yong Hardware themselves. We are able to purchase the raw material from the company in order to construct our products. Some example of our key resources includes raw material, spot welding machines, electric cutter, product design, and the use of online payment mediums. In the cost structure, the most significant costs inherent to our business model are the raw materials and design. On the other hand, the most expensive key resources for our company is the raw material, as it is the only key resources that we are going to purchase from the suppliers. Lastly, we'll take a look at the revenue stream area. The customers are willing to pay the product if it meets their specification and requirements. Hence, they are able to customize the design of the product to meet their requirements. The price of the product is estimated beforehand, where the cost of the materials, the difficulty of the design, and the duration of creating the products are taken into account. Then, we will set a reasonable price for the product. Let's take a look at the risk of this project, the preparation we make, and the response we take when the risks happen. These are the contingency plan that we came up with. There are risks such as machine breakdown, running out of resources, client change deadlines, and schedule overrun. The preparation we take for machine breakdown is keeping parts, component, and cold in standby in the inventory, where the response we'll take is present the problem to the machine vendors to fix it. For running out of resources, we will order resources earlier from the key partners, and for the response, we buy resources from other shops. For client changing their deadlines, our preparation is getting more employees to focus on the product, and the response we'll take is issue extra payment if the deadline is earlier. Lastly, for schedule overrun, we will work faster to finish the project earlier for our preparation, and for our response, we will offer a full refund to the customer if needed. Next, I would like to discuss about the strength of our company. Our company is focused on one specific area, which is Beaufort, and is manageable for us. Secondly, the purchase of raw material will not go to waste, as the construction of the product will only commence when the customer gives confirmation of the purchase. To wrap up this presentation, I would like to say that our project depends on the demand of customers. The product will only be made when the customer reaches an agreement on the design and the cost of the product. The customers are able to submit their own design of the product until they are satisfied with it. That is all from our group. Thank you very much.